Hey, my friend. So you have a Sony a7 IV camera body and you want to do a factory reset or maybe just reset the basic settings. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Before you reset your camera, a couple things you need to do. First is have at least a halfway charged battery. Doesn't have to be fully charged. This won't take you very long to do it all. And also make sure your flip out screen is ready to go so you can look at the menu. So the first thing you're going to want to do obviously is turn on your camera. And then you're going to hit the menu button. Then what you're going to do is you're going to move down to the bottom to where it says setup. After you reach setup, you're going to move to the right and go down to number 2, which is reset and save settings. Select that. It's going to give you two choices: camera settings reset, which will reset the basic settings of the camera, or you can select initialize, which will give you a factory reset. Now, I always picked initialize, so you select that, and you hit enter, and you hit enter again. And now the camera is going to do a factory reset, and then it's going to reboot. Once it reboots, it's going to be like you just took the camera out of the box and you're ready to get it all set up. So you start from the beginning by selecting your language, then it goes through some other menus that you also have to set up for your camera in the manner that you want to for this shooting style that you have. And that's how easy it is to reset your Sony a7 IV back to the factory settings. Now, if you want to learn more about the Sony a7 IV, check out this video right here.